Okay, doing a little shooting and tuning today with the Hoyt Satori. I started with a high knocking point, and the bear shaft was hitting low, so I had to lower the knocking point. And my groups are a little wide, so now I'm going to try shooting with a bigger brace height, 8.5, just to see what happens. Okay, that changed, that 1/2-inch brace height, which slowed the speed of the bow up a little bit, seems to be making a difference. Well, it's still a little wide. Okay, I shot the Hoyt Satori today, and I noticed that the groups are kind of wide. I was bear shaft tuning, and what I think is happening is I think this is a hard side pad with the bear hair, and it might be giving a little bounce. So I'm just going to try folding a piece of Velcro and then cutting a pad of Velcro and putting it over it to give it the thickness I need. And it'll be less surface area to come across, and it'll have a slight bit of give to it. And we'll see what kind of groups I get. Okay, I switched out that hard adjustable pad on this Hoyt Satori. I got a thin sliver of wood, piece of Velcro, and a Velcro pad over. And I was getting wide groups, and I believe I was getting wide groups because that adjustable pad was very hard and had thin bear hair on it. There was no give. And this makes it more like as if you had a cushioned plunger when you release. And I shot and I got good groups. They were a little over to the left, so I think I made it a little thinner now. I'm going to take a shot at 15, 20, and 25 just to see where they're hitting. And hopefully it's a little better. If not, got to keep working at it. Okay, that's 15. That's 20. And 25. Okay. All right, I have to show you this because I really believe that that hard pad was making me get a really wide group. Okay. This first shot might have been me a little bit, but you can see where it is. 20. Left to right's good. And 25. Now this bow's new to me, so I have to figure out my hold points. And tomorrow's a 3D tournament, and I think I'm going to take it and shoot it. I know I'm not going to come in the top 3, but it's a new bow to me, and what better way to get used to it than shooting at targets, now that I know it's pretty much on. So